Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is Mohammed Zaman. I am talking from Bright Mind Next. We will be building an AI application fully generated by AI. One exciting thing: today is June 14th, Saturday, and tomorrow is June 15th, Sunday. Lovable is providing this weekend unlimited generation of codes for free. So why don't we take advantage of it? Because this is a really good news for everybody. Why don't I jump right in? You see the screen that I have right now in front of you is a Lovable app. What is it? Lovable is the front end and full stack application builder similar to Cursor as well as Tray as well as Windsurf, Bolt. So all of these AI products, they are really helping people to build or take their idea to reality. I'll jump right in. I'll show you the announcement. This is the free weekend. You can choose different AI models. You can build some applications. You can compare. And in fact, you can win some prize as well. So let me jump right in. Why don't we build a software? I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's say this is something that you want to use every day and something that you want to use for your personal use, for company use. So let's come up with a problem. Let's come up with a specific problem. I'll build it. And again, I'm coming up with spontaneously at this moment. One of the problems that I have is managing all my tasks and expenses and incomes and all of those things together in one place. So first, before I start typing in Lovable, I want to use one of other AI like ChatGPT or Claude or DeepSeek, one of them, and I have all of those things open right here in front of you, chatgpt.com or chat.deepseek.com or claude.ai. So either one of them you can go in. These are all free version of it, and you can just type it. So let me type in ChatGPT because that's what everybody uses the most, and I will make it a big screen. So I want to build an application for myself. I want to build an application to manage my tasks, expenses, and income. Okay, so I might have various stream of income. This must be best of breed, most modern and user friendly. Okay, see, I typed wrong and it got corrected. So I'll just do as simple, and again, I'm not writing a proper prompt. I'll ask this one to write the proper prompt. Search, I'm gonna do this, search and find all the core features and enhanced AI features. List those. Make sure these are detailed technically and functionally. So what I just asked, again, I'm making a lot of spelling mistake intentionally, so you don't have to worry about the spelling. You want to express your idea. So just ask ChatGPT to essentially provide you with all these details, technically and functionally, what the products, what the core features I need to have, must have, user profile and authentication, fantastic, some task management, these are the pieces. I'll jump right in actually because we're gonna focus on the Lovable side, and expense tracking, then income tracking. You need to have a budgeting module, fantastic, some sort of dashboard and analytics, some calendar integration, multi-device sync because I might want to do it from Android or my iPad that I have, or the web from my laptop. And there are some specific AI enhanced features, maybe smart categorization, predictive budgeting, task prioritization, fantastic, really good. I didn't even have to do much, is that right? So then I will ask this one to do create a lovable.dev prompt with detail. This is very important. I want to make sure that you do understand. With details to build this application. Okay, now that I have all the details on top, I want actually to create the lovable prompt. This is the lovable.dev prompt. Okay, fantastic, I got it. Task, expense, and income manager app. Okay, all in one, fantastic, really good, I love it. It's still writing it up, it's giving a conversational agents and the tech stack. So it provides all the details. Why don't I do these things? I'm gonna make a copy of this at this moment. I'll go to Lovable and start building. I'm just pasting it out, remove some items, and essentially I am copying and pasting exactly what the Lovable prompt is supposed to be. Just moving unnecessary things. This is the lovable.dev prompt, and that's it. All-in-one personal productivity and finance app. Now let me start building it. So now that the app started to build, I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and do one more thing. If you come to Lovable, one thing you'll see something called knowledge base. I want to build that knowledge base that should have all the details. Let me go do it right now. Come back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, create a detailed functional and technical document as knowledge base for this application. Okay, so I need a knowledge base because knowledge base is going to be extremely important for making sure that I capture everything in case I miss something, because sometimes you have the context window issues that I'll talk about in another video. Sometimes it is incomplete, you have to go back. So I always refer back to this knowledge base that provides the technical and functional details. You can see that it provides me security and compliances, integration, extensibility, various other components of it. So what I'm going to do at this moment, I will come back and copy this. Again, you notice one thing, it came as a canvas. So to make a copy of the canvas itself, you just come here, it says copy on top right. Then I go back to Lovable. I go to my knowledge base. Here is the knowledge, and I am just going to enter the knowledge base right here. This is a knowledge base task expense income management application. Fantastic. If I go all the way at the bottom, fantastic. I'm fine. I mean, if you want, you can remove the bottom pieces, but that should be good. Now that I have this, I'm actually going to save it. My knowledge base is actually saved now, meaning that even as you know, while you are building this app, you will be started to see some of the components and some errors, and maybe you focus on one thing, but there's somewhere you want to keep a comprehensive documentation of what you intend to build. So it says build unsuccessful because there are some errors. Of course, you know what to do. Click on the error and ask the app to build and fix it, and it should start fixing it. Now, if you notice that Lovable has a prompt here on the bottom right, it actually allows you to pick and choose. If you don't pick and choose one, you can actually let Lovable choose it for you on your behalf. Typically, I let Lovable do it, but for the competition, if you choose Claude, build it. If you choose ChatGPT, build it. And you can choose any three of them, and the Google, which is the Gemini. So Anthropic is the company for Claude, Google is the company for Gemini, and ChatGPT is the company basically name of the company is OpenAI. So you can pick and choose anything that you like. This weekend everything is free basically, so take advantage of it. Build a world-class application. Once you build it, I think you can win up to $10,000 in some cases and $25,000 for the comparison of it too. So feel free to do all those things. This should be good. You see the error, it found the error, the missing dashboard, the TypeScript file. So I have a fantastic, really, if you want to look into it, I have a fantastic application right now. This shows me my monthly budget, my expense this month, my income this month, and I had 30 tasks and I only completed 24 out of it. Fantastic. And you can add your first task and see. When you build it first, it actually gives you overall idea. None of these things are functional at this moment. Nothing is functional. Even in the dashboard, you cannot click on it and go into detail. Now I have to start building one at a time, making sure that each one of those items are really functional at this moment. So I'm gonna start like doing one thing for you and building it. Again, I did it a full screen. And I'm gonna go have my prompt screen and ask, let's continue building the app starting with tasks. Now what I can do easily, I can come back to ChatGPT and looking into the task management and just copy and paste the task management, and I will go back to this, refer to knowledge base and make sure I have all the features for task management. Okay, typically a sample of that. Okay, so I just put it in as a sample. Okay, you don't have to do it. If you want to put it in, fantastic, but it's going to go back and refer to the knowledge base anyway. But typically I do put it in so that it shows. So it will start building the add, edit, delete tasks, categorization, tagging, priority level. Because it's going one level deeper and one level deeper, you'll find some of those missing. Typically what I do, I spend one menu item at a time and start building that. And then you go to the next one, start building it. Make sure that it is fully functional to your need, customized to your need, and then you go back to it. Now if I go to ChatGPT, I see task management here, and I'm going to see some other components as well. In the AI enhanced task prioritization, I missed that. Is that right? So because I missed that, this is intentionally I missed it, then I actually need to tell that go back to knowledge base and do all the task management including AI enhanced or some other components. Again, I have the technical components, there are some data modeling. I will ask this to do every single piece. I don't want any of those things to be missed. Basically, this is a really fantastic job. If I can build this one, it would make my life so easy. I would say that every day I would possibly save something. Not only that, things that I forget. Maybe I need to pay my rent or taxes for the house and repair something and call somebody. All of those things should be in one panel, in one software. Okay, hopefully you are able to see what I'm trying to do, and you can see, if you want to see all the things that it does, it will tell you. I have provided add, edit, delete. So let me go to the task and I can do add task. Now it's giving me an option to do all the task. I can write a task, create a video with Lovable, and create a video with Lovable so everyone can make amazing application this weekend. Okay, fantastic. and it could be personal. I can keep it medium priority. Okay, you can see all the stuff. You can do any of the tagging that you like, personal, finance, and something. I'm just not gonna do anything anymore. I'm just gonna say create tasks, and boom, I have my first task. Can you imagine how easy it is? You can go deeper into each one of them, and then I will ask continue building this app, making sure all features and functions are completed as per the knowledge base. Must include all AI enhanced components as well. Again, simple, just type as is, take one item at a time. See, it didn't do anything in the expenses. I can do add expense, it will not work, but because of the fact the way that I did task, it didn't work before, I can start adding tasks and you can see all the status, boom, all of those things can be done. Hopefully you guys are ready to build. Go build it. Lovable.dev. This is an AI generated AI will do all the generation. You create a fantastic prompt first, write it, and the reason I went to ChatGPT to build that, Lovable is here to build the application whatever you ask this one to build, and ChatGPT is here to help you what you want to build, like explore and come up with the prompts and all those things. So use the function, use the specific tool and software and resources for the purpose that it is supposed to do. So with that, I want to thank all of you for your time. This has been an absolute pleasure, and hopefully you guys made some amazing application and you can comment on it as well. Thank you very much, and we'll finish up today.